Hello, good morning to all. As we have done with our chapter 2, today we'll start with lesson number 3 and it's the dog's tale. So, this is the story of a farmer and one jinn. There lived a farmer in a village. He was very lazy. He hated any kind of work. He always wanted to sleep. He would often say, I wish I had a jinn as a servant. He could do all my work. What the farmer wished that if he would have one jinn and who would have worked for him. One day a jinn heard the farmer's talk like this. He appeared before the farmer. जिन ने फार्मर की बात सुनी और वो उनके सामने आ गया. The jinn looked very big and strong. He said to the farmer, Master, I would do all the work. I shall ask for no wages. But there is one condition. You must always give me work to do. What the jinn said, मैं हमेशा आपका काम करूँगा पर आपको हमेशा मुझे कुछ ना कुछ काम देते ही रहना पड़ेगा. When you have no work to give me, I will eat you. I will kill you and eat your flesh. जिन ने भी क्या शर्त रखी कि जब अगर आपने मुझे कुछ काम नहीं दिया तो मैं आपको खा जाऊंगा. The farmer laughed loudly. How foolish this jinn is, he said to himself. He doesn't know how much work it will be given to him. फार्मर को क्या लगा कि मेरे पास तो बहुत सारा काम है, इसको मालूम ही नहीं है कि इसको कितना सारा काम करना पड़ेगा. He will get no time to rest or sleep. Then he said to the jinn, all right, you will always have a work to do. Go to my fields and dig a well for me. That is your first task. तो what work the farmer gave कि जाके एक कुआं खोदो वहाँ जाके खेतों में. The jinn went away to dig the well. The farmer was very happy. He said to himself, it is not easy to dig a well. It will take a jinn many days. Till then I can rest and sleep. What farmer thought कि उसको बहुत time लगेगा and by the time he will get rest. The farmer lay down on his bed and prepared to sleep. But as soon as he closed his eyes, the jinn came back. He said, Master, I had dug the well. Give me another task. जैसे ही फार्मर अपने बेड पे सोने की तैयारी करने लगा, बाय द टाइम जिन केम और उसने बोला मैंने कुआं खोद दिया है और अभी मुझे नेक्स्ट टास्क दीजिए. द फार्मर वॉज सरप्राइज्ड. ही वॉज ऑल्सो लिटिल एंग्री. He said, go away and build a big house for me. It should have 5 stories. Then cook a big meal for all the villagers. Now go away and don't disturb my sleep. So what worked now? Second time what the farmer gave? कि जाके मेरे लिए 5 stores का एक घर बनाओ और पूरे गाँव वालों को खाना बन सके इतना सारा खाना बनाओ. You have to cook the food for all the villagers. Masters, I will do all that, said the jinn. The jinn went away and the farmer lay down to sleep. It was not more than half an hour when the jinn came back. Within half an hour, again the jinn came back to the farmer. He woke up the farmer and said, Master, the house is built, the big meal is ready. What is my next task? The farmer was filled with fear. He knew the jinn would kill him if he gave him no work. अभी फार्मर को टेंशन आ गया. Now he got scared of the jinn कि अगर मैंने इसको कुछ काम नहीं दिया तो he will eat me. Luckily there lived a schoolmaster in that village. He was a wise man. The farmer went running to him. He told the schoolmaster about his problem. अब वो डर गया. तो what he did, गांव में एक स्कूल के एक टीचर थे, बोले वो बहुत समझदार है एंड आई विल गो एंड टॉक टू हिम कि मेरा कुछ सॉल्यूशन निकाले. द स्कूल मास्टर thought for some time. Then he said, I have a dog. Take it to the jinn and ask him to straight his tail. मतलब इसको कुछ तो काम देना पड़ेगा, अगर नहीं दिया तो वो फार्मर को खाएगा। तो व्हाट दैट टीचर, दैट स्कूल मास्टर गेव हिम द आइडिया कि मेरे पास वन डॉग है, उसकी जो टेल है, आस्क हिम टू स्ट्रेट दैट टेल एंड नाउ टेक दिस डॉग टू द जिन। The jinn was very happy to heard about his new task. Third time, what task he gave? About the tail. What an easy task, he said to himself. Surely the farmer has no other task for me. I will finish it in no time. Then I will kill the farmer and eat his flesh. How tasty the flesh of my fat master would be. What jinn started thinking, I'll do this work within a minute and after that I'll get it to the farmer. The jinn pulled the dog's tail straight, but it curled again. When he let it go, he pulled the tail again with all his might, but again it curled. The jinn tried hundreds of times. Every time the tail turned in the same way. वो टेल को पकड़ता था, दैट टाइम इट वॉज स्ट्रेट। एज सून एज ही यूज टू लीव अगेन इट यूज टू गिव द कर्व। द जिन बिगैन टू स्वेट एंड फ्रॉम हेड टू टू, उसको पसीना आ गया, उसने इतने बार ट्राई किया। ही वॉज सो टायर्ड दैट ही कुड नॉट ट्राई एनी मोर। एट लास्ट ही लेफ्ट द डॉग एंड रन अवे। ही नेवर शोड हिमसेल्फ अगेन टू इन द विलेज। वॉट हैपेंड? He got tired, and what jinn thought, now I should run away from the village, and he ran away, and this way the farmer's life, it was safe. Now what you have to do is you have to read this lesson once again, and below the meanings have been given that you have to write in your notebook. Write properly in a good handwriting. Thank you.